Hi everyone, welcome to breakfast time at the Shepherd's. And we're making a sweet breakfast today. We've done a couple of egg dishes, and so I thought we'd try something sweet because sweets for breakfast once in a while are really nice. And I mentioned at one of my videos earlier in the week, I'm probably the only person in the United States or over the world who's never heard of this before, but I had never thought of it before until I saw it on Pinterest. And so we're going to try it today. We're going to make pancakes. Pancakes are great. We have pancakes maybe once every couple of weeks, or a waffle. But today we're making pancakes with muffin mix. I never thought of that. A bag of muffin mix, 1 egg, 2/3 of a cup of milk. And there's your pancake batter. I don't know how many pancakes I'm going to get out of this. I don't think too many, but there's only the two of us. But let me just show you something, or tell you something. This is a Martha White, not sponsored. It happens to be the one that I buy because I don't know that there's a whole lot of other ones options in my grocery store. But this is strawberry. But I could buy chocolate chip, apple cinnamon, blueberry, wild berry, banana nut, chocolate chip, blueberry cheesecake, strawberry cheesecake, or strawberry. Wouldn't that be a riot to have like a pancake smorgasbord? You know, you could have the mixes all in little bowls and have your kids or your grandkids can choose what kind they like. They can even make these mixes for you. It's simple with 1 egg, 2/3 of a cup of milk. So I'm going to bring you down to the counter and we're going to try this today and see just how it works out. We'll have ours with some bacon that I have cooking in the oven right now. And so that will be our breakfast for today. And I hope you have a great day and I hope you make some pancakes. Back in a minute. All right, here we are. I have my muffin mix. And I might have picked a bigger bowl, but I didn't. 1 egg. I'll put that right in here. 2/3 of a cup of milk. I was going to make these earlier in the week, and I had fresh strawberries to put on it, but I didn't get to it earlier in the week, so we ate the strawberries. It seems a little bit loose for me. I think maybe next time I won't put quite as much milk. But I'm just following the recipe at the moment. Let me put some butter on the griddle here. And I have my griddle right now about 250, maybe 275. And I have this little scooper that will scoop out some pancake mix. Yeah, I think I would make them a little bit heavier next time, but they'll be fine. They'll cook up fine. Now I've got 6, probably make 7. I've got 6 on there right now. And They look funny with all those little red things in there. They kind of ran together because they're so thin. Ooh, smells good. I can smell the strawberries. And then look at they're puffing up pretty good. Well, I think my griddle's a little too hot. I turn it down. They look good though. Oh my word, I actually flipped them all. What do you know? Oh, Chelsea. Chelsea's waiting for her breakfast. They look really good, huh? And they've got nice puffiness to them. I think this is a riot. And I have to tell you, I use that, is it Krusty's pancake mix? They're just about done. And Walmart substituted the giant never-ending bag for the one that I ordered because they didn't have the one I ordered. My word, I'll be making pancakes forever. Now I'm going to look to see what I can make with pancake mix that's not a pancake. These would make nice waffles too, huh? And I'm just going to put this last one on. Waste not, want not. So that makes a perfect size for us. But you could really have some fun with that, using different mixes. I got that so low now it won't cook. Let me bring you up. And I'm going to try one of these strawberry pancakes. And I haven't even got the syrup on it yet. Mmm, they're delicious. Where have you been all my life? It's absolutely wonderful. So give it a try. Get yourself some muffin mix. Now this muffin mix is 7 ounces. So if you had other muffin mixes of different brands, consider that the 7 ounces use the 2/3 of a cup of milk, and I think I might make it a scant 2/3. I wouldn't make it as thin, although they look fine. So 7 ounces is the 2/3 cup of milk and 1 egg. And I think probably if you had 10 ounces, I'd still put just the 1 egg, maybe a little bit more milk, or maybe the 2/3 would be just fine. Y'all know what your pancake batter should look like. I'm going to just show you this last one. Yummo, yummo. So there you go. Pancakes from a muffin mix. They're delicious. Okay, guys, that was good. That was short and sweet, wasn't it? Easy peasy. I'm going to be back on Tuesday. We're going to do something. Haven't got a clue yet what, but we'll do something. Until then, have a great weekend. This is Sunday. If you're watching it on Sunday, have a great Sunday. If you're rooting for basketball teams, you've got a lot to root for. If you're rooting for golf, that's on too. If you just like to read a book, great, go for it. But until Tuesday, I want you to stay safe, keep your distance, wear your mask, wash your hands, and everybody, play nice now. I'll see you Tuesday. Love you. Bye-bye.